everyone, welcome to today's First Friday story time. I hope your holiday season is filled with wonderful books and that you read every night and enjoy every word. Today we are going to celebrate the book Tough Cookie, written by Edward Hemingway. I hope you enjoy the story. Once upon a time, while Fox was visiting Christmastown in the land of holiday treats, a little cookie still warm from the bakery oven burst out the front door and shouted, "I'm a sweet cookie." "Well, hello to you, and since you brought it up, you do look like a sweet cookie." "Of course I'm sweet and fast. Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the sugar cookie man." Fox never could resist a challenge, so he gave chase, shouting back, "You look very sweet, sweet enough to eat. Ha ha, just try to eat me. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the sugar cookie man." Hey, Fox was pretty fast, and he loved sweets. Crunch. But Cookie wasn't sweet at all, and Fox spit him out right away. "Blech, you taste awful." "How dare you? I'm a sugar cookie, and I taste wonderful." "Sorry to break it to you, my little friend, but you taste terrible. Plus, I think I just broke my tooth. You are one tough cookie." "But I'm sweet." No, you're not." "But I'm not a sweet cookie, then what am I? A slowpoke who tastes terrible? What do I do now? Boo-hoo." There, don't cry. Maybe you just need some sweetening up. You think so? It's worth a try." So after a quick trip to the dentist to get his tooth fixed, Fox took Cookie to the Christmastown spa, where the elves dipped him in delicious eggnog, sprinkled him with powdered sugar, and sang him sugary sweet Christmas carols. Fox gave him a lick, but Cookie still tasted terrible. You said you were a slowpoke. Maybe you should work on your running instead." So Fox signed up Cookie for the Sweet Treat Christmas race, and that very afternoon, they headed to the park. But Cookie's stubby legs and lack of experience made it impossible for him to keep up with the more seasoned runners. And as hard as he tried, run, run, as fast as you can, Cookie, he came in last place. Cookie was exhausted, and he didn't feel so tough. Was he cut out for anything? Fox thought so. Every treat in Christmastown should be able to build itself a proper gingerbread house. You can too, I'll help. So they found a nice little spot in the great gated community of Cookie Cutter and got to work building and decorating. But when they were finished and Cookie went inside his beautiful new home, crash! It didn't exactly hold up. And that's when Cookie crumbled. "I'm not sweet, I'm not fast, I can't even make a gingerbread house. Everything I do is half-baked." "Don't give up, my little cookie. We'll figure this out. You've just got to hang in there." "Why not hang with us? We've been looking forward to meeting you all day." "Huh? What do you say? It makes perfect sense, seeing as you're a Christmas tree ornament, and you are too." "I am. Of course you are, silly. You're not like the other cookies. You're special, baked with glue and lots of salt, with a little hole in your head for a ribbon. So that's what that's for." I should have guessed. Cookie finally knew that he was what he was made of, and he couldn't have been happier. That afternoon, he hung with care from a branch on the biggest Christmas tree in the center of the park, with the sweetest view in town. Overjoyed, Cookie shouted for all the world to hear, "Look, look, look at me. You can't reach me. I'm an ornament on a tree. Make some room for me there up there, Cookie." Fox could never resist a challenge. The end. I hope you enjoyed today's story, and follow the link below. There should be a recipe on how to make your own gingerbread ornaments for the holiday season. I look forward to seeing you soon.